Alright, so a quick overlook. I'm redoing the trailer. I'm gonna try and upload some of the older pictures. I don't know how I'm gonna do it in a video, but anyway, got some 12 volt going on. This is gonna be my Overland trailer. I've used it a couple of times. I've taken everything off. There's my tent and hot water and whatnot, but I've gone with a 31-inch tire. But I'm trying to completely remodel this whole trailer. I want to add a third battery just because I don't think I have enough power for my LEDs and everything else I got going on, and I want to add some more pieces to it. I need to put some fenders on it and a couple other things, but I'll try and upload. I'll have to convert some of the pictures over to video so I can upload it to my YouTube channel of the original build. I kind of got carried away and didn't think to video any of it. Anyway, so here's how it sits now. Everything's hand built by me. I just trying my hand at some things, doing some research and development. So I'll keep you posted. 12 volt power, aluminum. I've got onboard water, fresh water. Feeds the shower. I've got an actual sinking stove that bolts to the side. I'm gonna figure out a different way to do it. I want to maybe put it on some slides or something of that nature. Anyway, all right, a little more of the trailer build. We're adding some more panels on the side. I'm getting ready to box this thing in so that I can put my slide out kitchen and everything on it. I'm gonna completely change the look of it. I'm gonna switch out from my smaller style Smitty built trailer to the XL, the not trailer but the tent. Anyway, I didn't get much accomplished today. I had to work, but I got a little section done on the back here. Adding to it, another vertical, another horizontal. Getting ready to cut those off and put some slats down the side. I guess stick with me. We'll see what happens next.